What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to change the startup sound and logo in FL Studio. And just in case it was somebody out there wondering what I was talking about, I'm talking about this logo right here that pops up when you start up FL Studio. If you want to change that image into your own logo or the audio into your own tag, I'm about to show you how to do that inside FL Studio. And the way you're gonna do that is you wanna pull up a file explorer and then find your tag or whatever it is you're gonna replace the audio with. And then come over to this website, anyconv.com or anyconv.com. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Choose the file and choose to convert it into a WV format. And then once you convert the file, you'll be able to download it in WV format. Then the next thing you want to do is come back and find the image you're going to use to replace the FL Studio logo. And then once you got your image and your audio together, the next thing you're going to want to do is open another file explorer. Go to this PC, go to your program files, then image line, go to whatever FL Studio version that you're using, and then go to artwork, skins, and then default. And when you get here, what you want to do is replace this audio and this image with the audio and the image that you want to add. But when you do that, you got to make sure you rename this audio and this image with the same exact name as the audio and the image right here. Otherwise, it won't work. So what you might want to do is make a folder somewhere else and store both of these in there for backup. All right, so now that I done moved both of those to a different folder, I'm gonna go ahead and change the name of the audio. And then do the same thing with the image. And then drag both of them in the default folder. And now if you close out FL Studio and restart it, it should start up with the image and the audio that you just added. And that's all it is to it. Alright, so that's a quick video of me showing you how to use your own personal logo or producer tag to start up in FL Studio. I hope this video was useful to somebody. If it was, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I got a lot more videos like this on the way, but until the next one, I'ma holla at y'all. Peace.